Hi, welcome back. We're going to learn a little bit about using a hammer and nails today. Usually we use a nail to connect something to our wood, right? But today we're just going to practice using a hammer and nails and just trying to have some success with the balsa wood and maybe the pine wood. The balsa wood is really soft, so it works super well for this. The pine wood's harder, so we're going to work up to that. We're going to work in small groups today to practice using the hammer and the nail safely. And so the first thing that we need to do is make sure we're wearing safety glasses, right? Hopefully, because we're doing other stuff too, we're going to have safety glasses on today and not really have to remove them. But remember that your eyes are really one of your most precious, they're a really precious resource that we have, and we cannot heal them and grow them back. So it's important to make sure that we're protecting our eyes. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a nail once I have my safety glasses on, and I'm going to take my hammer and I'm going to put the nail into the balsa wood. And honestly, you might be able to put the nail into the wood and have it stay just like that without hammering. But I'm going to hold on to it really lightly, okay, to keep it in place. And I'm just going to give it a few really light taps on top. Tap, tap, until I can remove my hand and it stays in place. So now that the nail is staying in place, I can go back and I can hit it much harder. Okay, but I need to make sure that my fingers aren't anywhere near because I don't want to hurt my hand or hit my fingers. Okay, so I'm gonna, now that it's in place, it's not going anywhere, it's stuck in the wood, I'm gonna go back and hammer, 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 hammer. Okay, that's what I can do to get that hammer into the wood. Next, let's try it with the pine and let's see if that's different. Okay, so now I have a piece of pine and I'm going to do the same thing. So remember, stop and ask yourself, what do I do first? I'm gonna put the nail in the pine. It's not gonna stay as well because pine is a much harder wood. I'm going to hold on to it with my my finger and thumb, and I'm gonna use whatever hand I write with, right, to give it a little light tap. 1, 2, okay, really light. Now I'm moving my hand and it looks like my nail is stuck in there. Now I can go back and give it harder taps. 1, 2. Okay, just try to get it really into that surface. I might even be able to get out some little beads and actually put a bead here under the head of the nail. This is what we call the head of the nail because it sticks out. All right, so if we get to that point today, maybe we'll be able to do something a little bit more decorative. Great job. And I'm excited to see what you can do with your hammer and nail.